Hey everybody, this is Robert at propheticseer.com. I just wanted everybody to know that they have permission to download all of my videos off of my YouTube channel and re-upload them to their own. I give you absolute and complete permission to take and redistribute, re-upload, get as many views as you can on your own channel. You can favorite it, but I would rather you just download it and re-upload it. Don't forget the show. This is amazing video footage that has never been seen. www.propheticseer.com. Blessings.
I remember getting a call from the fire department commander telling me that they were not sure they were going to be able to contain the fire. I said, we've had such terrible loss of life. Maybe the smartest thing to do is pull it. And they made that decision to pull, and then we watched the building collapse.